Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Filipino ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Kat. Welcome to the 2000 Core Filipino Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is saxophone, 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 saxophone. Tumugtog ng saxophone. Play the saxophone. Tumugtog ng saxophone. Tambol, drums. Tambol, tambol, drums. Tumugtog ng tambol. Play the drums. Tumugtog ng tambol. Cilindro, harmonica. Cilindro, cilindro, harmonica. Tumugtog ng cilindro. Play the harmonica. Tumugtog ng cilindro. Room service, room service, room service, room service, room service, room service meal, room service meal, room service meal. Resibo, receipt, resibo, resibo, receipt. Resibo sa pamimili. Shopping receipt. Resibo sa pamimili. Wi-Fi, 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 Wi-Fi. Router ng Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi router. Router ng Wi-Fi. Timba ng basura. Trash can. Timba ng basura. Timba ng basura. Trash can. Ilabas ang timba ng basura sa tabi ng bangketa tuwing Martes para maubos ang laman. Put the trash can out by the curb every Tuesday to be emptied. Ilabas ang timba ng basura sa tabi ng bangketa tuwing Martes para maubos ang laman. Sobre, envelope, sobre, sobre, envelope, pulang sobre, red envelope, pulang sobre, papel, paper, papel, papel, paper, papel at lapis, paper and pencil, papel at lapis. Engage, 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 engage ka ba? Congratulations! Are you engaged? Congratulations! Engage ka ba? Congratulations! Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Filipino, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say saxophone? Saxophone, saxophone. And how to say drums? Tambol, tambol. What about harmonica? Cilindro, cilindro. Do you remember how to say room service? Room service, room service. Let's try receipt. Recibo, recibo. What about Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi. Now, let's see if you remember how to say trash can. Timba ng basura, timba ng basura. Another one. What about envelope? Sobre, sobre. Do you remember how to say paper? Papel, papel. And finally, do you remember how to say engage? Engage, engage. Well done! See you next time. Paalam!